Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get God Human and what is the necessary attainment here on God Human, how to achieve it. So to get God Human in Blox Reach you need about 400 mastery in Dragon Talon, Superhuman, that step, Electric Claw, and Sharkman Karate. So gather your materials. So you'll need the following materials to 20 fishtails, 20 magma ore, 10 dragon scales, and 10 mystic droplets. So that's all you need to attain this, to get the God Human on your behalf. So that's just basically it. It's a hassle at first, but you'll get it at the expense of your time. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.